up, YouTube? This is your girl, myheartzdiverse, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about the coronavirus and staying at home. It's not going to be a long video or anything like that. Not a lot of people is taking this seriously, and it's getting kind of scary now. It's scaring me, and I don't really know everything of what's going on. I kind of feel, in my opinion, that they're keeping a lot from us, a lot of information from us, and a lot of people is not really paying attention to that. They're really not paying attention to what's going on in the world, and a lot of people is dying from this. It's like you want to stay close to your family. You want to make sure your family and friends are okay. So Walmart is checking temperatures now to where you can't enter, only a certain amount of people can enter the store now. And they check your temperature before you go in the store, which is a good thing, so others don't get sick. They should have been doing this, though. Just my opinion. They're also not letting you buy certain medications, I think, and there's going to be stopped selling e-cigarettes, which I think they should have been stopped selling that. Just my opinion. And a lot of other things are changing with Walmart. A lot of things that are being changed right now, in my opinion, should have been changed a long time ago. To prevent it from getting worse. I know you guys haven't seen me in a minute, and I haven't really done like a video like this where I'm talking to you guys. It's always been about either wig review or food. I'm trying to do a blog, a food blog, but I'm not gonna start that just yet. There's just too much stuff going on right now. But how you guys are doing? Are you all okay? I'm not sure, where all my subscribers are. A lot of stuff has changed on YouTube, so I'm sorry for the shaking of the video. A lot of stuff have changed on YouTube, and it's mind-boggling to me because I feel like I lost some of my subscribers, even though I have 833 subscribers. I feel as though I'm not reaching out to all of them for some reason, and I don't understand why. Like I say, things are changing. Let me know what you guys are doing, what you guys are up to, what you guys are doing during this pandemic. Are you staying safe? Are you staying healthy? Are you using masks? Because I know a lot of people are not when they're going in the store, and it puts others at risk because you don't know if you're sick. That's another thing with the symptoms and stuff. Yeah, there are many symptoms right now. Even there are symptoms that we aren't aware of. People are walking around, don't even know that they're sick. That's why it's best for you to use a mask, and some people don't understand that, and they don't care, which this is why it's spreading fast like that. I just pray that, this is over soon. I really didn't imagine 2020 being like this, and it really scares me because I care about my family. My husband, he's an essential worker, so he puts his life at risk for others, and he has to come back home. And I'm not knowing whether or not, he has come into contact with anyone that had the virus. But I will pray for you guys, and I pray that you pray for us as well. If you are an essential worker, I want to thank you guys so much, because you really don't have to do what you do, but you put your life at risk for all of us, and I want to thank you. I also have, besides my husband, my dad, that's an essential worker as well, so I'm worried for the both of them. I'm worried for everybody that's an essential worker. So there's many things that you can do while you're sitting at home so you don't get bored, like cleaning, reading a book, homeschooling your children, for the ones that have their kids out of school at this time. You can do family games. What else? Wash your car. Fix on things in the house that needs to get fixed that haven't been fixed on in a while. Mow the lawn. There's so many things that you can find to do to occupy your time while you're at home. You can plant a garden, cook, bake. If you are very creative, you can also make masks for others. There are elderly people out there that really needs, these masks, and they are afraid to get out the house to go search for them or ask anybody for them. So it would be nice if you are creative and you can make masks for your community. There's so many things that you can do while sitting at home. Things that just you had on your checklist that needs to get done. And if you're out of work right now because of the coronavirus, there's, a lot of things that can occupy your time while you're at home. I feel sorry for the seniors because this is their year, and they take photos, they get their rings, have parties, prom. It's a lot that goes on for the seniors, around this time, and they're not able to do a lot of things that they have to do, for memories, you know what I'm saying, and graduation as well. There's so many things that they can still do at home to celebrate, like taking prom pictures at home. If you have like a nice yard, there's different ways you can still take prom photos without having to be in contact with others because of the social distancing thing. Also, having like maybe a virtual celebration with your friends online, FaceTiming. You never know. You know how everybody is doing with this virtual thing. If you work a lot and you're out of work right now due to the coronavirus, and you don't rarely spend time with your kids, now is the time to spend time with them. Find out what they like to do that you can do with them at home. If you want to continue to, homeschool them yourself, there's that option, or help them with homework, help them with classwork. If they need improvement in certain subjects or anything like that, there's many different things that you can do, to occupy your time. Watch movies. Try, and especially if you have the exercise, well, everyone should exercise instead of, just sitting around all day. But move around a lot, walk around your neighborhood, do have a family walking around the neighborhood, but try to keep your social distancing though, so if one is sick, the others won't catch it. But it's a perfect time for family time right now. So for all the couples out there that is at home and you guys don't have anything to do, if you have kids, of course, spend quality time with the kids, family time. But if you don't have any kids, why don't you spend time with your significant other, your boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife, whatever, and do some special things that y'all don't usually have time to do, So this actually can pass time. If you're bored, get some candles, do some special things. I'm not too sure if you can get roses and all that, but it's always a special way you can go about it. Be creative. Have you guys heard about this hydroxychloroquine? This is supposedly supposed to be a lupus / malaria drug, something like that. They're saying that, and I say they're, meaning Trump, Other people are saying that it possibly can make the symptoms, well, a person that if you have COVID-19, it could make the symptoms better, it can make you better. You know, they're saying that, but the doctors are not swearing by it, which is confusing because, you know, we don't have a cure for this disease, but, you know, I'm guessing that they're willing to try anything. I don't know. But if that's the only cure, my opinion is, I don't know, because what is the side effects? I mean, you would want it to cure the symptoms. You would want to, you know, if you're diagnosed with COVID-19, of course, you don't want to have the symptoms. You want it to go away. Of course, you would want a cure. But what are the side effects for people with underlying conditions? You know, will it make it worse for some people? It might make it better for others, and it might make it worse for some of the other people. So it's like, it's kind of controversial. You know, it could have a positive and a negative effect. So it's like, there's a lot of people that is for it. There's a lot of people that's against it. Honestly, I don't know what my opinion is on it, you know, but that is the only thing that can prevent you from dying. I mean, it's something to think about, but it's something to think about as well, because what if you are not in a state of dying and you end up taking this drug, and it can make things worse and it could kill you. So it's like, it's something to think about, guys. You know, hopefully they have more trials so everyone can see how it turns out. But we honestly don't have time. There's so many people dying. So I'm thinking, like, what happens to the people that needs this drug? You know, like people who have lupus, malaria, whoever needs this drug, you know, will they have a shortage for them? It's something to really think about. Guys, I know you do not want to be in this situation. I don't want to be in this situation. This is something we all didn't ask for, and we just have to get through this. We pray together, you know, pray for others, and pray for those families that lost loved ones behind the coronavirus. All you can do is be positive about the situation. I know, how can you be positive? Is to, you know, spend time with your family, do positive things through this situation, and try not to think negative, because it can be stressful and depressing, because a lot of people are scared. You guys, if you have any symptoms, like fever, cough, diarrhea, anything that's alarming, contact your doctor so you can check it out, see if there's anything going on, just to be safe and to keep others safe and healthy around you. You guys, if you do not have to get out to get food or anything essential, medical wise, all that, stay home. You actually keep others safe and others healthy by staying home, okay? If you don't have to get out, don't get out. I understand sometimes you have to, like me, sometimes I have to get out, but I wish I don't. I try my best to do what I got until I have to get out to go get things, you know, so I can keep my family safe. So you guys, just please stay at home if you don't have to get out. You guys be safe. Love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bar if you are not subscribed already. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.